Hi there guys, it's me again. In this video I will show you how to invite a friend to a Facebook group. First thing what you need to do, you need to get up into the three dots on your right upper side. Then you need to go for all shortcuts and you need to go for the first selection, which is groups. Go for it and then go for your groups. To get up, make sure that this is your created group. Go on that group selection, and now as you can see on your upper side you have that invite option. Just click on that invite option with a blue section, and here you're gonna find out to invite via email, or the first selection is share group. Go to share group, and now here also you have more options to get it through this section. And how do you get up and invite that friend? For example, you can go copy link to that group, you can share it on Messenger. You have more options by getting through this. As you can see, you can also get up by Instagram, Snapchat, Google Drive. You can go by Zoom, WhatsApp, LinkedIn. You have more options to get up through. For example, I will go again and I will go with copy link to a group, and then I'm gonna send it to the friend that I want to invite him to that group section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.